Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like IVM Likes for your weekly dose of pop culture recommendations, whether it's books, movies, or TV shows.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hello guys, welcome back to the new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil. I have Vivek Krishnan with me in the studio. Kal break tha, but good matches, good two matches. We had a good day yesterday. Talking about, one point which I want to make in a match between RCB and RPS, Shardul Thakur ka pick. It was so good. I think he was the game changer for जो भी हमारे टीम से जीते होंगे वो.
Certainly, he should have played in the first two games, but they went with Dinda and Chahar. That was a mistake by Pune. And we kept saying that Shardul should get a look in. Finally, he was given the opportunity and he proved us right. And like you said, we picked him. Yes, this was a very difficult round to play because all the players were priced high. Kohli, De Villiers, Smith, Stokes, Tahir. You couldn't get them all in, so we had to go with somebody.
What made you drop Gale?
Well, so he's been in and out of the team. And initially I had picked him in the team, considering the fragile Pune bowling. But I quickly thought about how Watson could come in, because you could see how their balance was disturbed. Without Shane Watson, RCB looks a one-dimensional team. So he gives you that balance. They rectified the error, got him back, and I knew if someone had to go, it could not have been De Villiers or Samuel Badri. It had to be Chris Gale. And that was the call. And like I keep saying, there was tremendous logic to it. And yes, RCB said, okay, Gale, we can't play you. And I'll also talk about the other good move by bringing in Adam Milne. I've been talking about this guy for a year now. He's got so much class, so much pace about him. He's got the zip, and he is a proper out-and-out T20 wicket taker, in my opinion. And yes, he has been plagued with so many injuries. So it becomes difficult for the management also to field him. And having said all that, it was great to see our thought actually being executed. Everybody played, and we had a decent team also. And we could have gone with Rahul Chahar, we could have gone with Rajat Bhatia, we could have gone with Stuart Binney. I saw so many players playing with these names.
Yes.
And like you pointed out, the one player who made the difference for us was this guy, Shardul Thakur, and we ended up winning pretty well. Comfortable should be the word ideally talk about. We had a rough Friday, not a great Friday, because this whole double header thing started from Friday. We had a Super Saturday and semi Super Sunday, I should say, and we really hope we have two matches for today as well. Sometimes I just get a feeling, yes, we're doing fantasy cricket, but I also feel I'm living in a fantasy world. Get up on a Monday morning, you look at the calendar and you see two matches staring at you. When we were in school and college, at least this used to happen to me. I used to only think about cricket and cricket matches. Now this is a boon. We get to play, we get to talk, we get to watch. Man, we could go on and on about this. It's a different podcast altogether. But 3 o'clock and then 7 o'clock is the deadline. We are here to present fantasy cricket.
Before we touch upon the fantasy cricket of today's matches, I want to talk about RCB. AB de Villiers, विराट कोहली आउट हो जाने के बाद there is absolutely no one to save.
कुछ नहीं बचता. हमने ये इसके बारे में जिक्र किया है. बहुत नाजुक है उनकी जो बैटिंग है. बॉलिंग के बारे में तो कभी कभी शर्मिंदा करते हैं यार. ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मत खेलो. मेरे को लगता था कि पुणे क्या चल रहा है. When you look at the whole strategy, you look at the balance, it is disturbing. You don't want to see these teams getting clobbered time and again. You want to see a fight. And everybody, I'll tell you why Mumbai, Kolkata and Hyderabad are doing well. One reason and one reason only, because of their bowling. When we previewed the tournament, we spoke about every team and we dwelled upon this aspect of bowlers win new matches.
Yes.
It could be test matches, it could be IPL, it could be the World Cup. I don't know. I don't care. But this is what it is. You have to create a formidable bowling attack. You can't be going in with ordinary bowlers. They are not going to win you demanding tournaments like the IPL. It's played over 60 days, 50 or 60 days, so many matches, it's non-stop, different conditions, different opponents. Look what Mumbai, Kolkata and SRH are doing. So unless you don't have a great bowling, Gujarat is also struggling because of that. You might have a super...
And they continue to bench Faulkner.
Man, very bizarre. They should... I think they're waiting for Bravo. If that was the case, give a Faulkner to somebody like a Punjab or a Pune. They'll happily take it. Not too sure about Pune. Unka dimag theek nahi chal raha aajkal. Anyway, so we are down to Delhi versus Kolkata today and Punjab versus SRH.
Yes, Delhi versus Kolkata.
हाँ.
The first question that comes in mind, because you know, जैसे ही आप कोई भी पोर्टल खोलते हो तो विकेट कीपर ऐसे सामने दिखते हैं. You have Rishabh Pant there and
You have Robin Uthappa. मुझे अच्छा लगा, तो यही मैं करता हूँ हमेशा. शायद ये ऑप्शन ही ऐसा है कि आप जाते हो वहां पे क्लिक करते हो, आप 2-3, कभी कभी इस चक्कर में दिक्कत होती है कि मैं किसे लूं. कोई कीपर बैटिंग करता तो कोई कीपर मतलब ऑलराउंडर के कैटेगरी में आ जाता है. आपको समझ में नहीं आता क्या करूं. लेकिन ये बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मामला है. मेरे चक्कर में इसमें कोई झंझट नहीं है. नमन ओझा नंबर 6-7 पे बैटिंग करता है और कुछ आजकल बल्ला तेज नहीं चल रहा. तो आप देखो दूसरी तरफ रॉबिन उथप्पा एकदम बढ़िया खेल रहे हैं, फुल कॉन्फिडेंस है, गौतम गंभीर का उन्हें सपोर्ट है. जब कोई बंदरा इतना अच्छा मोमेंटम के साथ उतरता है मैदान में, बस ले लो यार, कोई दोबारा सोचना नहीं. लेकिन मैं आपको चौकन्ना कर दूं इस बात पे कि उनका जो रिकॉर्ड है, जहीर खान ले लो या फिर अमित मिश्रा ले लो, इतना जबरदस्त नहीं है. तो दिस इज अ क्लासिक सिचुएशन ऑफ चूजिंग 2 बेकार में कौन अच्छा है. तो उसमें उतप्पा ठीक है, तो हमें उसको लेना चाहिए.
2 किसमें?
2 बेकार कीपरों में अच्छा कौन है. चलो ठीक है. नो ऑफेंस टू रॉबिन, बट इट इज
Okay. But purely, I mean, one of the reasons why I feel you picked Uthappa is because we are not sure ऋषभ पंत कहाँ खेलेगा.
बिल्कुल. Oh, did I say Naman Oja? I'm so sorry. I have to correct myself, Nikhil. Thank you for reminding me.
Yeah.
So this is a match between DD and KKR. ऋषभ पंत. तो ये प्रॉब्लम है, कंफ्यूजन है. ऋषभ पंत को वो कहाँ बैटिंग करेगा ये मुझे नहीं पता. कभी ओपनिंग आ सकता है. I think he should be playing above Karun Nair.
Yeah.
Because Karun Nair is in terrible form now.
Yes.
But he's become a floater, number 5, number 6. You see Sanju batting up. You see Aditya Tare or Sam Billings batting up. Even Shreyas Iyer opened the innings last time. So when you have people batting at 5 or 6, ऐसा नहीं है कि Rishabh Pant cannot come and score a 50 or a 60. It has happened in the past. But in today's situation, in terms of quality, Rishabh Pant above Robin Uthappa. Match situation and position, I think Uthappa slightly ahead. Because open करता है यार, शायद नरेन खेल जाए.
One down आता है.
Technically he is an opener because Sunil Narine ज्यादा नहीं टिकता. So I think they will go with Uthappa as their opener or one down batsman. So we go with Uthappa. We are not thinking too much. क्योंकि मैं एक और आपको बात बता दूं before we move on to the other aspects. Rishabh Pant against KKR bowlers. KKR bowlers are very clever, variety, depth, classy, experience. किसी को भी उल्लू बना सकते हैं. अब देखो ये होने वाला है.
इनफैक्ट यू नो व्हाट, मैं तुम्हारा टीम देख रहा हूँ अभी, जो thefangarage.com पे ऑलरेडी लाइव है. आई कैन सी यू आर प्लेइंग विद 5 बॉलर्स. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर डूइंग दिस.
यस, मेरे ख्याल में पहली बार इस एडिशन में हमने 5 बॉलर चुने हैं. और इसका मैं आपको कारण भी बताऊंगा. द रीजन बीइंग, both teams have a great bowling lineup. Amit Mishra, Shahbaz Nadeem, Zahir Khan, Pat Cummins, Corey Anderson started to bowl, and Chris Morris. जब इतनी जबरदस्त सेना हो आपके पास, तो you have the option to, okay, ये नहीं तो वो नहीं तो ये. And we are in this position today. If you look at Kolkata, Kuldeep, Umesh, Sunil Narine, Chris Wokes, Trent Bolt, किस को लूँ यार, क्या करूँ. तो I just feel you have to go with the current momentum and form. Umesh Yadav will play, number 1. That is the first box you have to tick. ये बंदा खेलेगा या नहीं. And I think जिसको भी हमने लिया है, Kuldeep Yadav. So we picked Kuldeep because he came back in the last match after he was dropped at the Wankhede Stadium. That was a mistake. So Kuldeep is there, Sunil Narine is there, Amit Mishra is there,
Umesh Yadav,
Zahir Khan and Umesh Yadav. Zahir Khan, मैं आपको बात बता दूं, has a phenomenal record against Gautam Gambhir in domestic, not only IPL. डोमेस्टिक मतलब बहुत सारा, ईरानी, दियोदर, विजय हजारे, सईद मुश्ताक अली, दुनिया भर का टूर्नामेंट्स आता है और he has got his number. And क्या हमने उसको वाइस कैप्टन भी बना रखा है. तो लोग पूछेंगे कि आप कह रहे हो एक तरफ कि उसका रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है, लेकिन अगर मैं बैट्समैन टू बॉलर कंपेयर करने करूं तो फिर मैं कभी टीम ही नहीं बना पाऊंगा. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. सी, सचिन तेंदुलकर हैज गॉट आउट टू जेम्स एंडरसन 15 टाइम्स, बट इफ इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड आर प्लेइंग, मैं उसको छोड़ दूं? मैं, आप मेरे को बात बताओ, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
Okay. So I'll just go through the team that we have made for Kolkata versus Delhi. It starts with Uttapa. Then we have Sam Billings, Manish Pandey, Gautam Gambhir, Sanju Samson, Chris Morris, who is our captain, Zahir Khan, Umesh Yadav, Amit Mishra, Sunil Narine, और कुलदीप यादव. Gautam Gambhir is our vice captain.
गौतम गंभीर इज आवर वाइस कैप्टन. क्रिस मॉरिस कैप्टन बिकॉज वो 2-3 विकेटों के नीचे बात नहीं करता, बैटिंग भी आता है, बल्ला घुमा देता है, 20-25 रन तो यूं ही इकट्ठे कर लेता है. सो दैट इज, ही इज अ रियल मैच विनर, not only for Delhi, for people like you and me also. And you talk about Manish Pandey has been in fine form. I remember talking about KKR a few weeks ago. I said he is this guy. वो ब्लू जर्सी में फ्लॉप कर लेता है.
Yeah, I know.
लेकिन थोड़ा सा वो अगर डार्क पर्पलिश गोल्डन हो जाता है तो हिट कर जाता है. ये मेरे को पता नहीं, शायद फर्क इतना ही है कि वो शाहरुख खान को देख के ज्यादा इंस्पायर हो जाता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. एंड यू नो, ही इज बीन स्ट्राइकिंग सो वेल.
Yes.
I'll tell you a dark horse opener. हमने उसको तो लिया नहीं है, यूसुफ पठान. I'm giving you a tip here. If you want to play a grand league, make Yusuf Pathan as a captain. Why I'm saying this? They could open with Yusuf Pathan. Not many will know Yusuf Pathan debuted for India as an opener. और ये डेब्यू कब किया था? 2007 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल. किसके जगह पे किया था? बोलो. वीरेंद्र सहवाग.
क्या बात.
So this is what it is. So if you want to play a grand league,
2007 को अभी एक डेकेड हो गया है.
10 साल गुजर चुके हैं. 10 साल में बहुत कुछ हो चुका है. यूसुफ पठान के बाल चले गए, तो चलो ठीक है.
Yeah. So moving on to the next match, Kings 11 Punjab versus Sunrisers Hyderabad, or rather Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Punjab.
That's correct.
So Punjab finally उन्होंने मॉर्गन को खिलाया.
मॉर्गन, आपको याद है हमने पॉडकास्ट किया था, विल शाकिब एंड मॉर्गन कंटिन्यू टू बी बेंच्ड. शायद उन्होंने हमारी सुन ली और ये प्रोडक्शन वालों ने टाइम देखकर बरोबर रिलीज किया था टॉस के पहले. Probably they heard it and they said, okay Morgan, okay fine call, so we pick him. And today hopefully शाकिब का भी ऐसा होता है. मेरे को जेन्युइनली लगता है कि शाकिब खेल जाएगा.
Yeah, because Colin de Grandhomme has not worked.
He is not bringing any value, boss. तो इतना, और मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता, आप 2 टाइटल जीत चुके हो और शाकिब हैज बीन एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट, और आप उसे ड्रॉप करते हो. कैसे यार? हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? सो एनीवे, दिस इज वेयर persistence, this is where perseverance, this is where trust. Kieron Pollard was in horrible form, but Mumbai won 2 titles with him and they stuck to him. Easily they could have said, Pollard, आप बैठ जाओ, हम गुणरत्ने को खिलाएंगे, because Gunarratne has been in super form. But they said no, Pollard first 5 games and he won them that much. That is what trust can do.
Yes. So. But I'll tell you what, कोलकाता को अब तक कुछ हिट नहीं किया है for them to make that kind of
correct. वो एकदम प्यार से चल रहे हैं, उन्हें कोई कहीं कुछ, वो कहते हैं ना, गड़बड़ नजर नहीं आ रही. और
but irrespective, you know, players like Sakib are brand ambassadors of
the moment
T20
he is
cricket.
fit, readily available, you say okay, come back. It's as simple as that. Again, don't take a chance by playing him, because आप इतना उसको बजट खर्चा करोगे उसके ऊपर, और अगर कोई शॉट जाता है तो आप बैकफुट में रहोगे. तो
Maybe ग्रैंड लीग में you can try.
ग्रैंड लीग में यस, कैप्टन भी बना सकते हो.
Okay, चलो moving on to the next match.
Yeah.
हाँ. So I'll just go through the our pick. It starts with Wriddhiman Saha. In batting we have Shikhar Dhawan, David Warner, who is our captain. Yuvraj Singh, Amla, David Miller. All-rounder we have only Akshar Patel, who is our vice captain. And then in bowlings category we have Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Ashish Nehra and Sandeep Sharma.
हाँ, तो मैं शुरू करूंगा बल्लेबाजों से. डेविड वार्नर तो ऑटोमेटिक चॉइस है, कैप्टन भी. और मैं आपको बता दूं, लास्ट 4 मैचेस ही हैज प्लेड अगेंस्ट पंजाब, ऑल 50s. अब इतना सुंदर रिकॉर्ड और इतना धमाकेदार फॉर्म में कोई होता है तो आप उसे इग्नोर नहीं करते. सो वी पिक हिम. एंड शिखर धवन, लास्ट टाइम मैंने शिखर धवन को ड्रॉप किया था, आपको याद होगा, और मैंने उसे इसीलिए ड्रॉप किया था फॉर 2 reasons. वन इज तो बजट में मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. Number 2, I felt the opposition will have an edge over him, and they did. Today we have both Shikhar and Yuvraj. We don't have Moses Henriques. ड्रॉप गया था, कभी इंजर्ड हो गया, ये सब पंगे में हमें नहीं पड़ना है. So we quietly pick a safe team, these 3 people for Sunrisers. And जहां बात पंजाब की आती है, हशीम आमला, किसी ने दोबारा लिख दिया, आप लेसन सीख गए, चलो सीख गए बेटा. तो ठीक है, होता है ऐसे. मनन वोरा नहीं, अगेन वी पिक डेविड मिलर बिकॉज आई थिंक डेविड मिलर हैज अ बेटर चांस ऑफ स्कोरिंग अगेंस्ट भुवनेश्वर कुमार, Ashish Nair.
But I'll tell you what, I was watching this match against Punjab versus Delhi, and David Miller was not able to connect Pat Cummins' ball.
होता है, see again.
He just was not able to read it. वो pace उनको
But आप ये भी देखो कि how cleverly Pat Cummins bowled in that match, and he's an international quality. Of course, Nehra, Bhuvneshwar, all these guys can bother him. But मुझे ऐसे लगता है Maxwell, this attack is going to give Maxwell a lot of problems because so much variety, so much class, and Rashid Khan especially.
Okay, हाँ, एक मिनट, Maxwell ही नहीं है अपनी टीम में.
Maxwell ही नहीं है, yes. तो इसीलिए नहीं लिया है because if you saw that match against DD, the moment Amit Mishra came on to
that was a foolish shot. I mean,
तो this is what Maxwell can do, boss. वो आपको सेंचुरी दिला सकता है, वो शाहिद अफरीदी मटेरियल है. वो ऐसे भी कर सकता है. That was a brain fade. In Steven Smith's term, this was brain fade. पहली बॉल अगर कोई बंदा आता है, फिरकी लगाता है, आप भी फिरकी लगाओगे तो आउट ही होगे ना बॉस. शांत खेलो ना. नहीं तो ये जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, इससे बाज आना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. यू नो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर ऑल ह्यूमंस. सो वी ड्रॉप हिम, वी पिक Akshar Patel because Akshar Patel bowls 4 overs, he gets you a wicket or 2. Sometimes he opens the bowling like he did against RCB, got the wicket of Watson. He was promoted as a pinch hitter in game 1 and game 2, dropped down the order. But someone who can give you so many things, so much, अगर कोई ऑफर करता है, he becomes that utility cricketer in T20. I don't want to go with a Shikhar Dhawan.
He connects well.
He connects well. So somebody can give me a wicket or 2 and 20 or 25. I will say no problem. Bindas vice captain ban jao. In fact, captain also. Why not? Think about 60-70 points as a captain. You're sorted, man. So this is where I feel हमने Maxwell को drop किया है. Miller, I feel he has a better chance. Moving on to the bowling category, Bhuvneshwar has been a phenomenal. I think purple cap शायद उनके पास ही है अभी.
And way ahead. I think by 4-5 wickets he's ahead.
And वही लिस्ट में राशिद खान भी घूम रहे हैं.
Yes.
और उन्होंने तो क्या, what class, man. And talk about attitude, character for an 18-19-year-old Afghani leggy to play with the biggest icons in the league. It's not easy, but and every first over, first over में उसका एक विकेट है. ये मेरे ख्याल में सिर्फ एक और बंदा करता है, सैमुअल बद्री. इन दोनों के अलावा कोई नहीं करता ये. आप पेस बॉलर हो, स्पिन बॉलर हो, मीडियम पेसर हो, या फिर आप स्टुअर्ट बिन्नी हो, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट ओवर में विकेट ये दो ही लेते हैं. एवरी टाइम ही टेक्स अ विकेट एंड हाई क्वालिटी बैट्समैन. सो वी पिक हिम. आशीष नेहरा, वेटरन, इज देयर, एंड 2 फ्रॉम and 1 from Punjab, I think. Sandeep Sharma has to be. मैं नटराजन, ईशांत, मोहित, वरुण आर्यन, इन सब के चक्करों में नहीं पड़ना चाहता. बहुत इंजरी प्रोन है, प्लस इनकंसिस्टेंट है. मोहित इज गुड, बट आई थिंक संदीप हैज बीन देयर बेस्ट बॉलर फॉर 2-3 years now. So it's an automatic choice. So that's why I've picked.
You're not taking any risk with Mustafizur.
बहुत लोगों ने लिया था और सारे लोग फंस गए. हमने नहीं लिया था. तो क्या है ना, देखो, आप एक मैच हारते हो करके यू कांट चेंज द टीम. दैट इज अनफेयर. यू लुक एट व्हाट बेन कटिन हैज डन फॉर SRH ओवर द लास्ट 1 year. Last 4 matches he played, and people must have forgotten this. I'm telling you, 2 match winners are warming the bench, Nabi and Chris Jordan. इनको चांस नहीं मिल रही है SRH में. तो
Nabi I can understand, but Chris Jordan should have get a nod ahead.
Answered आपका जो क्वेश्चन था ना, मुस्ताफिजुर, Chris Jordan could come in.
Okay.
Because he gives you the batting option also.
Okay.
So yes.
Fine, fair enough. Guys,
लोगों के मन में एक डर बैठ गया अभी इन फॉरेनर्स को लेकर. हमें मैसेज करते हैं, इसको लू, वो लू, ये कॉम्बिनेशन, वो कॉम्बिनेशन.
यार कैसे मैसेज 4 फॉरेनर डालते हैं और बोलते इसमें से कौन है?
अरे यार. तो
Okay guys, we'll wrap this show over here. But before we go, कल का मैच तुमने देखा होगा, RPS versus RCB.
Yes. Oh.
MS Dhoni, that 6 and that stumping.
Man, if you're an MS Dhoni fan, नहीं, आप फैन भी नहीं रहो तो भी ऐसा कोई 6 इंडिया में मारने मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं है. So many years of cricket, and there's one guy who it could have crossed the stadium. वो देखा ना आपने, कहाँ जाके रूफ में फंस गया हो. That was, I think, रुजवेंद्र चहल को अगर जोर से झापड़ भी पड़ती ना तो भी वो खा लेता. लेकिन ये जो शॉट था ना, ये बहुत मुश्किल. कटाक आवाज क्या आया, घर में हमारे कान बज रहे थे यार. और उसके बाद में जो स्टंपिंग, आई थिंक द ग्रेटेस्ट एवर. ऐसे स्टंपर कोई matlab, he's the greatest stumper the game has seen. Huh? There's no question about it. Imran Tahir, beautifully flighting the ball. He beat AB de Villiers in the air. And
it was all so beautiful.
It was
all
beautiful.
top class.
Yeah.
Dhoni, AB de Villiers, Tahir.
Imran Tahir, beautiful. What flight? एकदम प्यार से over pitch किया, flight में beat कर गए, खटाक. And de Villiers he didn't even bother to look back.
And what a subtle celebration from Dhoni.
Exactly. And Imran Tahir also.
Yep.
He didn't run around because he knows at the end of the day he has to play with AB de Villiers.
एक पोल चल रहा था कि who is the fastest in 22 yards. Options क्या थे? धोनी taking a quick single, Virat Kohli taking a quick single, and third one was Imran Tahir celebrating. People didn't get the sarcasm, but the vote should have gone to
Imran Tahir. Yes. So on that note, I think we have to.
Yes. Guys, the articles are up on our website, thefangarage.com. आपके doubts, कोई भी सवाल होगा, you can connect us via Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and on Facebook at Fantasy Pandit. There's also a podcast. You can listen to it on IndusVox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, keep hunting, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.